It's surprising what your mouth goes through in a day. Basic oral care is not enough to keep your mouth truly clean. That's why it's time to upgrade your oral care routine. Introducing Ozone Smart Mouthwash Machine. This innovative device turns tap water into ozone mouthwash in just seconds. The advanced microelectrolysis technology splits diatomic oxygen molecules in two to form ozone. Eliminating harmful oral bacteria more effectively. Ozonated water penetrates all areas of your teeth and mouth to eliminate 99% of harmful bacteria in just seconds. No irritation, no drug resistance. It's the best option for families who seek clinic-grade oral care. Simply add tap water to Ozone. The service life is equivalent to 5,000 bottles of mouthwash. It offers multiple built-in modes to suit your oral care needs. Its intelligent sensors automatically adjust the water output for various cleaning needs. By controlling ozone concentration with the Smart app, you can easily address your specific oral issues. Flossing, rinsing, brushing. Upgrade your daily oral care routine with Ozone-generated ozone mouthwash to enjoy a healthier and more confident smile. Ozone Smart Mouthwash makes oral care easier than ever.